you doing? This is Melanie from Melanie channel. So it just start August, and what have you purchased this month? So this month I got two of my favorite fragrances. Actually they are on my wish list, which means that they are amazing. Besides that, I also have my new purse here from ddyblake that I'm gonna open with you. Okay, so this month I have two fragrances delivered to me here from England. It's a big box, and the purse, my husband already opened the outside box, but I haven't really taken a look because I want to surprise myself, and I want to take a peek with you guys. So let's go to my fragrance purchase first. Let's open it together. Actually, it's been delivered like for a week, but I just wait. Oh, it's from Tara.
Okay, and I want to open
Do the unboxing for you guys because I haven't done unboxing for a while. Okay, let's pick one. Oh, pick one first. I don't know what is the first one. Yay! This is Carnal Flower from Frederick Mall. If you follow my channel for a while, you're gonna know that this is one of the best tuberose perfume out there that I've ever tried. I'm not a tuberose person, but this one is amazing. It's a must for tuberose lover, or even though you don't love tuberose, you might need to try it because it's amazing. It's like you smell real tuberose with all the leaves and the stem. Everything is amazing. It's a 50 ml bottle. It's nice. Beautiful. Okay, so actually this is my first Frederick Mall.
I never purchased it.
It's amazing. You have to try this. Okay, let's go to the next one. Where is it? Okay, it's here. Okay, how about I share with you my ddyblake purse first. I love the box. It's so beautiful. As I told you that I haven't opened it yet. Oh, it's come like this. The packaging is nice. Oh, shoot. So thank you to ddyblake. They give me with this purse. So the one that I choose called Eva 9 inches in beige color. And the reason that I picked this one because I want a nice size purse that's not too small and not too big. Okay, it comes with a dust bag. ddyblake New York. So the company is based in New York. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Very cute. I love the color. It's called light beige, but I think it's more like taupe, which is very versatile color. It can go with like warm or cool, cool color. So this is a nice size, very cute. Because I'm a petite, so I don't want something that too big. Ooh, nice. And the hardware is in silver. I think you can pick silver or gold, and they have many colors. They are very beautiful. It's very hard to choose, but I want something that versatile. Okay, and it comes with a strap. That's what I really like. Okay, here is inside. Okay, tissue. Okay, not too heavy. Yeah, nice size. And inside there is the compartment, which I like. Yeah, I like the purse with compartment because like this, I can put like something that I can grab really fast, like credit card or whatsoever. And the reason that I choose this style because I think it's very nice when, if let's say if I go travel, I don't want to pack so many things or many purses. this one I can like dress up or dress down. This is the back of the purse, which is nice. I think I can put my cell phone here. Let me try. Put cell phone. It doesn't. It fit like if you try to push it, but I think like if you can wear like this, it's okay too. Okay, so it comes with a strap. Let me open the strap. Now I really like a purse that can like handheld or like how to say can wear many way like shoulder. You can wear it at your shoulder or handheld or like do it as like messenger style. Oh, it's come with this. Very cute.
I think we have to do like this.
It is right. Very cute. Okay, I wanna try with strap, and the strap is good. It's adjustable because I'm pretty short. I need it adjustable. Oh, here you can put it here, and they ship free in US and also worldwide. Worldwide, I think they charge around $39 for the shipping. And now the purse is also on sale, which is very nice. Oh, so this you can wear like this. Let me show you. Oh, like this. Okay, which I think is good if I like go travel and I want to go casual. I can wear it like this. But at night, if I have like dinner date or like go to dinner, I can just take off the strap and then just wear it like this, and it look very luxury, and the leather smell very nice. The leather is from Italy and it's handmade, which is nice. If you look at the how to say this thing or the craftsmanship is very nice. Although it's very nice, I love it, and I'm sure that I'm gonna use it a lot. I love it. Very cute, very nice. Let's try to put something inside. I choose this style because I need some like something that can completely close, so it's more secure and not too easy for the pickpocketing go grab my things. So I want something that completely close, and this have the magnetic closure, which is nice. Okay, go on. Okay, so usually when I like do errand or go travel, I don't carry a lot of things. Maybe my cell phone here and my little stuff like all the lipstick, alcohol thing, and my mini purse, and maybe my glasses. So everything is fit nicely inside. So usually that's all I carry. It might be a little bit hard to close because the case, okay, here. That's how you close it. Very cute, very nice. Very beautiful. Thank you, ddyblake. I love it. So you guys can go check out their website at ddyblake.com. They have many styles. And the style that I pick again is called Ava 9 inches. They also have different sizes, 11 inches and other bigger size. I really love it. Okay, let's go to the next perfume that I picked. This month, what you guys purchased, you can share and comment below. This is my recent favorite perfume brand, perfume house, Mizenzer by Alberto Moreira, and you guys already know which one is my most favorite scent. Is luxury. If you love iris and if you looking for something really luxury, you must try luxury. Yep, it's the best iris perfume ever. Very natural and of course very luxury. How to open it? You have to slide it. Oh, it's very tight. Finally, I able to get the sleeve out. So they have like the gold stamp here or sticker. Not sure. Okay, here and say Mizenzer, made in, I believe they made in Switzerland. Okay, let's open it together. So this is my first Mizenzer too, and I picked luxury because is one of my most favorite. And I have like the mini review of this brand, 11 cent. Ooh, it's very luxury. I mean, if you look at the bottle, you might think it's very simple, but when you hold it, you know that it's beautiful. The plate here is like metal plate, gold metal plate, and this is 100 ml. Okay, and here bottle M. Oh, which is good because my channel also M Melanie match my name. Oh, and it's a good weight. You can hold it here, but be careful. Is it magnetic? It's not. I don't think it's magnetic, but it's click. Okay. Here, let me spray it here. It's the best iris. It smells like real iris. I don't know. I never smell iris before, but I feel like this is real iris because it's so natural. It's not like plasticky or feel fake at all. It's very, very luxury. I love it. So that's all my purchase. So what you bought this month, you can share with us. And have you tried ddyblake purse before? Don't forget to go to that website ddyblake.com to check all the beautiful purses. They have so many variety for you to choose from, and they also have shoes, and now they are on sale, which is good. These are my two favorite. I check off my two perfume wish list. Thank you for watching.